Hey everyone, as you're coming into this session today in reference to getting strategies on where to invest money, especially if you have up to $1,000, where do you invest it? How do you get some returns? How can it work for you? Very simple. We'll explain that in a few minutes. Give me a minute here to get some people to add on, to join us so that we can conversate in reference to the stock market. Very, very important keys are coming up. Hold on a second, just drop something. All right, there we go. Good for me. All right, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am CEO David Diaz. I'm an author and I am known as the Health Investor. I am here today to offer you some opportunity on where to invest money, especially if you have $100 or up to $1,000. The reason I say up to $1,000 is because if you have more than that, there are other ways to invest, and that requires more of a one-on-one. I provide educational strategies on improving your financial status. I help people I educate, train, and develop people to become financial professionals. Isn't that wild? And it's opportune time. A lot of people are searching for other ways, other sources of income. And this is an opportunity to grow, to invest, to have your money work for you while you're working on your business or whatever it is, or dedicating time to the family. All right? So here we go. So first of all, I'd like to start off with telling you, do you have up to $1,000 to invest? If you do, this is for you. If you have beyond that, it's great to listen to this because you can take advantage of it as well. It's meant for anyone who wants to park their money for a week, a month, a year, or even longer. So it's up to you. Most people will have a different story. Some will want instant returns, and it's unfortunate these returns don't always come about. They come and go. These opportunities, we have to take advantage of them as they come about. All right? What are these opportunities in the stock market? Well, I'd like to talk to you about some of these opportunities that are available so that you can invest today, or tomorrow actually, when the stock market opens, you can invest in these stocks. Number one is Ford. Ford company has gone down 53%, the stock share. And you know that Ford is not going anywhere anytime soon. The government is going to provide funding so that they can get back to where they were. Right now, Ford, GE, and General Motors are producing masks so that people can breathe. Not only that, they're also producing some of these breathing machines, pumps, made of car parts. Isn't that amazing? So these companies are not going anywhere, because if they were going anywhere, they wouldn't even contribute to the emergencies that society is having today. That's one of the reasons I recommend investing in Ford stock. How much is Ford stock? Every share costs about $4.22 from what I checked today. That's what it's going to open at tomorrow. It might open a little bit lower. It might go up a little bit. But normally the stock is around $9 a share. So it's half off. What a discount. For you who are ready to invest, this is an opportunity. Stock number two is Glue Mobile. Glue Mobile trades under the ticker symbol GLUU. And I forgot to mention Ford. Ford trades under the ticker symbol F as in Frank. That's it. F as in Frank. And Glue Mobile now trades under the symbol GLUU. Glue is a mobile company that provides gaming for smartphones. And that is also another opportunity. Why? Because their stock is about half of what it normally is as well. Their stock usually is around $9 to $10, and it's at $5.95 right now. They also have a buy rating of 91% buy rating, which means it's good to invest. You know that games are not going anywhere, and especially at this time, right now, people are hooked on gaming. One way or another, they're using their cell phones. One way or another, these companies are producing. So expect Glue Mobile in the next few days to come out and say that they're doing very well because people are playing their games. That's right. Not only that, last week, Friday, they had 3 million volume of shares that were traded, while Ford had 86 million shares traded. So that's why I like these two companies. I'm invested in Ford and Glue, as well as the other companies I'm going to tell you about. I don't make any money if you invest or you don't invest. However, these are companies that are worthwhile for you to make some money on. Number 3, Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital lends money to small businesses. Guess what? Companies will be needing money. The government will provide a bailout, but as well as companies will be looking to expand their business, to market their business, to find better solutions so that they can survive after this coronavirus. And you bet they're going to survive. They're going to come back bigger and better. So Prospect Capital trades under the symbol P as in Paul, S as in Sam, E as in Edward, C as in Charlie. That is an opportunity to buy. How much is their stock worth right now? It's $3.86. What a deal. That means if you wanted to buy 100 shares, it would cost you $386. And their stock is down 40%. 40%. Normally it's worth $6.50 a share. It's down to $3.86. So I would say that within a few weeks or so, or months, you will have at least 30 to 40% return. That's my guess. My guess. It's not actual fact. All right. So just be aware. Hey, Charlene, thanks for joining us. Everyone, thanks for joining us. Next stock, United States Steel Corporation. This is a stock that trades under the symbol X. Don't ask me why that symbol was picked, but it's very, very good company. It traded 16 million shares last Friday, and the stock was worth at $5.92. It's 44% below its cost. These stocks have huge discounts. What are you waiting for? Invest in them. That's another stock that I have shares in. United States Steel Corporation. Oh, not only that, Prospect Capital and United States Steel Corporation offer you a dividend. So that means that if you invest and when you sell your returns, you'll get some money as long as you're aware of it. And 2, you will get a dividend every 3 to 4 months. It depends on, I think it's every 3 months. Sorry, I don't think, I know. It's every 3 months. And so far, none of these companies have taken them away that I'm aware of. Next company is Bed Bath & Beyond. Who hasn't heard of Bed Bath & Beyond? Bed Bath & Beyond has gone down 76%. It used to be trading at about $15. Now it's at $3.88. And Friday, it traded 16 million shares. They also have a dividend every 3 months. So you're going to not only make money when you purchase the stock and resell or sell it back, but you're also going to make some money every 3 months when they sell you a dividend. Isn't that great? And you can reinvest that which way you like. The next stock that's out there is called Apache. Apache is an energy company. They traded 52 million shares, double the shares that they normally trade on a regular day. They also have a dividend, and their stock is around, I don't remember what it is, but it's somewhere around $4 or $5 a share. I didn't write that down because I had many stocks and I wanted to give you an opportunity to take some of these things down. They trade under the ticker symbol of APA. And Bed Bath & Beyond trades under the symbol B as in boy, B as in boy, B as in boy, Y. 3 B's and a Y. BBBY. I don't know why they have a Y in their name, but I do know that they have a how. And I do know that many people will be shopping once Bed Bath & Beyond opens back for business. All right? So that's another stock that I have in. Now, another stock that I have in is called Cleveland Cliffs. They're an ironing ore mining company that's located in Minnesota and Michigan. You know that people need pellets for either the train system or producing guns, and you know that that's not going away anytime soon. It's wild, but they also had 11 million shares traded on Friday, and they have dividends. Their stock is 52% below market value. It trades somewhere between $7 and $8. I'm giving you low numbers on these, so that way you're able to pick and choose whichever one you want. Don't take my word for it. Research as well. Cleveland Cliffs trades under C as in Charlie, L as in Larry, F as in Frank symbol. All right, C as in Charlie, L as in Larry, F as in Frank symbol. These are all really, really good companies. You will make money in the next 2 to 3 months on these. How much? I don't know. I can only guess 20 to 30%, although it could be higher. All right, it could be 10% as well, 5%, but I do know that you will make money if you leave them in for the longer term. Now, I have 3 other companies that I want to offer you. One of them is Southwest Airlines. Out of all the airlines that are available out there, I like JetBlue, I like American Airlines, I like Delta, but Southwest Airlines, which trades under the ticker symbol LOVE, spelt L-U-V, L-U-V, LOVE for Southwest Airlines, is the one that has minimal debt. They have better stock options. They don't have to pay back as much once they get into these loan procedures that from the money that the U.S. government is going to offer for the bailout. Right? So I recommend LOVE. LOVE trades somewhere around $29 a share. Compared to JetBlue and Delta, JetBlue is way down. It's somewhere around $7. And Delta's around similar to Southwest. However, it's up to you. You do with your research as well. Don't just take my word for it. GE, another company that's well to invest in. Obviously, they invest in planes, they have electrical, and they have other companies, appliances, home appliances, you name it. They have a lot. Right now, they're doing mass, and they're producing artificial pumps to provide oxygen for people from the parts that they normally sell. So that's a company I believe in. I have invested in them as well. And then the last company is ExxonMobil. XOM is their ticker symbol. And GE is obviously GE. That's their ticker symbol. So these are the companies that I'm recommending. Exxon, well, you know that people are going to start traveling again. And you know people are going to need gas to go around. Right now, nobody's using the gas. But come Memorial Weekend, you know that gas is going to skyrocket. Hint, hint. I'm giving you clues. So get ready, because when Memorial Weekend comes around, people are going to be investing in gas for their cars, and the prices of gas are going to skyrocket. They're probably going to be higher than normal because demand will be much higher since people are not using their cars. Got it? The same thing with flying, the same thing with purchasing in companies. So, and cars are not being purchased right now, so that's going to be a wave. So all of these stocks that I've recommended here is because I have logical explanations, not because I'm taking a guess at them. But I'll tell you 2 other things. Number 1 is that if you are serious about starting out investing, look at my Facebook page where I put the website link so that you can get a free share, and I get a free share as well in one of these stocks. It's called join.robinhood.com/DavidD3924. I will put it in Instagram as well on a separate link and a separate picture so that you can copy it. And that way you'd be able to invest as well. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope that these tips will allow you to expand your horizon, to invest more. And if you're looking to invest more seriously than this, you've got to contact me, because these are the basics on investing. And if you mean business on investing, if you want bigger and better returns with higher risk, obviously, because there's always a risk in investing, well, shoot me a message, give me a call, send me an email, and we will make some strategies work in your favor. Have an awesome night, and talk to you next Monday. This Monday coming up. See you then. Take care.